Let's see what we got here. It's a LimoStudio AGG 1388. What we got coming in? It's like a portable photo shoot, please, huh? Let's see. This is basically for, I'm guessing, for accessories and batteries and stuff. Lena, you can hide in this box. Yeah. Where are you gonna hide?
Is that the Christmas tree?
No, that's these are backgrounds for photo shoots.
Oh.
Держи это.
Okay, so that's a green screen, white screen, black screen, the basics. And this is the frame, I guess. No. Oh, those are the umbrellas for the lighting. And these should be light bulbs.
Wait, are these ours?
Yeah, she ordered it so we can make a photo shoot.
Wow.
So everybody can come to our house to take a picture.
It's a
This is the...
stand. Okay. It's pretty cool. Okay. Photo Studio Pro 120 volt. Listen, turn the music down a little bit there because it's too loud. Okay.
How does it work for turning it down?
Really? Okay. So what is this one? More tripods. I guess those will be for those lightning umbrellas. We have a lot to learn with this one. I don't even know how to use these, so it's gonna be interesting to experiment.
Whoa, what's that?
This is so I can clip the background.
Catch it, Daddy.
Don't throw stuff at me.
Oh, I know umbrella. What? That's umbrella. Oh, that's it.
Oh, this is the light.
Yeah, those are the fixtures for the lights.
Oh,
What is that one over there?
like that. That's not how you open an umbrella.
Oh, these are the like a shower curtain type of thing, so you can just focus on that. So this is for those backgrounds, so you can slide them. Some clips.
Yeah, should be the light.
Okay. And this is the instructions for the photo studio setup. Okay, everything's pretty secure. Very cool. And they have those. Whoa! What happened? Did you get your finger snapped in it? Yeah, you gotta be careful. You have to learn to listen.
The umbrella is kind of...
Yeah, this is just for light, so it makes more natural light. It's very cool. Well, happy? Is it as described?
We'll see.
We'll find out.
Take the pictures.
LimoStudio. What's in this one?
Oh, and this one. And this umbrella. We've got two umbrellas.
These are the other umbrellas. These are the black.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
All right, so this is the reflective
Yeah,
ones.
the reflective.
I want the black one. I want
Okay.
the black ones. It's pretty and fuzzy.
And they have a filter also. Really cool. So I'm guessing this gets on the cover of that.
Maybe in the front of the umbrella.
Milenka, careful so you don't get your finger pinched in that.
Let's keep this one in mind.
Yeah. That's the filter cap, okay? Yes, Januszka, you like them? Is this working for you? Okay. Impressive stuff. I think the green screen will be cool if we try to do some video editing, so we can do green screen and then we can put whatever background we want. I got that shortcut software, so it has a chroma filter where you can actually cut out a certain color. Basically, if you're in front of the green screen, let's say this is what I'm filming, and then you go click on the background and it takes away all that color, so you can have another background. You can put whatever is moving here, you can put it on the background you want.
That's cool.
I'm gonna do that for you. Milena, now you have 2 umbrellas? Is that your new dance routine?
Oh,
Bless you, Januszka.
That's umbrellas. 2 white umbrellas. Like we can roll on the water.
Don't break them right away like everything else. Okay. So, it's called LimoStudio Muslin.
The box.
Go in the box.
Let's see what's inside here, Janusz. Janusz, what's inside? What's inside? What's inside the box? Janusz, look here. Ah! It's a cat?
Well, here it is, a Samsung Ultra HD TV 65-inch. This is the 8 series NU800D. Clean cable solution, 1 remote, 4K Ultra HD resolution, 4 HDMI ports, 360 design. And what we have currently is that little dinky Philips, which is 55-inch total, maybe 50 effective. So really excited about this one. It's new to us. It's a fantastic upgrade for us, and can't wait to open it up and let you know how it feels.